Within this presentation we will walk through what is instructional design. Hello, I am Anthony Quintanilla and I will guide us through the basics of what is instructional design within this presentation. To begin, let us define instructional design, which is the creation of instructional experiences which make the acquisition of knowledge and skill more efficient, effective, and appealing. By Merrill, Drake, Lacey, Pratt, 1996. Let's look at that a little more in depth. So, looking at the first part of the definition, which is instructional design, is the creation of instructional experiences. These are experiences that a learner will go through to acquire new knowledge. However, let's really look at how that's going to affect the acquisition of knowledge, and we need to make sure that it is also efficient, effective, and appealing. This must hold true not only for the learner but for the instructor or facilitator as well. Now that we have an idea of what instructional design is defined as, let's start to explore the three major components that make up instructional design. The first being the tools of that all instructional designers house within their tool belts. Processes are where most instructional designers begin when they are creating their instructional design. There are some tried and true processes that all instructional designers use in their development processes. The ADDIE model, the systemic design of instruction, also known as the Dick and Carey model, are a few of the processes most instructional designers use when developing an efficient and effective instruction. Another tool used is instructional theory, an essential tool that provides guidance on facilitating effective learning experiences. This theory informs the design and structure of instruction, including the specific strategies that should be employed within a unit of instruction to optimize learning outcomes. The last tool in the instructional designer's toolkit is physical tools. This encompasses a wide range of technologies and resources that instructional designers employ in their work. These tools can be as simple LMSs, multimedia technology, or as advanced as e-learning development software for creating interactive digital learning experiences. The next of the three major components is the people. Instructional design can become quite complex due to the fact that it involves working with various groups of people. An instructional designer typically collaborates with several different stakeholders throughout the design process. Management. Administrators are typically the highest stakeholders who hold the most weight when instructional designers are in the creation process of instruction. Department chairs, who have a direct line to what instruction should be implemented and how it will work in combination with the learners. Teams can be composed of grade level or subject matter teams to help drive the instructional design process to be successful. Subject matter experts lend their extensive knowledge of the content to instructional designers to ensure effective and appealing content is developed. The final group that instructional designers interact with is the learners, as this group helps the instructional designers target a specific audience to tailor instruction based on the learner's level of knowledge, learning styles, and skills or content needed to further their education. The last of the three major components is the areas of instructional design takes place in a multitude of organizations or work environments. Government, military, corporations, education, higher education, K-12 education. As you can see, the very different career-related aspects that will influence an instructional designer's process as well as their designs of instruction. Each of these fields are unique to their learners, so one can see how varied an instructional designer's job is related to their specific target audiences. Thank you for your interest and time in my explanation of instructional design. I hope you gained a better understanding of what instructional design is while better relating to this ever-developing and expanding field.